talk about Paley Edit. So Paley Edit make a bad edit. It like he is not nice anymore. Vanille, Vanille being is very nice, and 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 every single hater of Paley, it trash the um I'm gonna call Paley a poo head because he's just a horrible Roblox player, and it abuse like like Vanilla Bean is not nice, and sticks and video. The title is Your Next Paley. So I'm gonna upload the a video that titled Your Bad. Okay, see ya.